Ang mga opinyon at pananaw sa susunod na programa ay sa mga host at sa mga panauhin lamang. Hindi ito pananaw ng himpilan o ng pamunuan ng network.
Magandang gabi! Welcome back na naman. Andito na po tayo ulit sa isang oras ng talakayang may laman at may anghang. Mga kaserbisyo, ako po si Jess Fasis at ito ang Jess Asking.
Ano meron? Just asking. Wala lang. Just asking. Ano ba katotohanan? Just asking. Just asking. Ano meron? Just asking. Wala lang. Just asking. Just asking. Just asking.
Hari nawa, natuloy din ng full 3 days ang impeachment trial kay Vice President Sara Duterte. Maraming mga pag-amin, maraming mga nabuking, pero minsan may mga stonewalling, no? Mainit ang talakayan na yan, ha? Isang no-nonsense lawyer ang makakasama natin mamaya at hinahangaan ko at ng maraming tao ito ng husto. Pag-usapan po natin yan mamaya, pero dito muna tayo ulit sa ating paborito nyo, kaya kayo nanonood dito A1 Info mula sa aking multong tagabulong sa Jess Who Hula Who. Bugtong-bugtong ng ating multong tagabulong. Unti-unti na nga bang nabubuo ang Magic 16 Magnetic Puzzle Ball. Magic 16 Magnetic Puzzle Ball yan, ha. Pwede nyong i-google, ha. Hindi lang Magic 16. Sabi kasi ni multong tagabulong, ang Friday the 13th nagiging February 14th na daw. Meron kasing magkapamilya, si B1 at si B2, na may mga negosyo, tsaka ang negosyo nila at ng kanilang mga pamilya ay hindi na lumalago sa ngayon, bagkus nalulugi pa. Tapos, sangkot pa sila sa mga sangkatutak na kaso ngayong wala na sa kapangyarihan ang kanilang mga nakakatanda. Ang problema pa, yung mga malalaking pamilya, mas malaki pa sa kanila na nasa itaas, nag-uumpugan at nag-aaway at sila ay hindi makapag-negosyo ng tahimik kung hindi sila pupusta o susuporta sa isang malaking pamilya. Ngayon ba o hinaharap ang kanilang pupustahan? Kaya naman, gagawin nila ang isang estratehiya na ginagawa sa negosyo or sa stock market. Ang tawag dyan, hedging. Okay? Ang hedging, ang plano, si B1 ay susuporta sa isang pamilya na mataas ang lipad. Habang si B2 naman ay susuporta sa isang pamilya na mababa ang lipad sa ngayon. Kaya naman, si B1 tahimik lang muna sa isang maingay na proseso na pinapanood ng lahat ng taong bayan. Habang si B2 paminsan-minsan, unti-unting bumoboses para depensahan yung nasasakdal doon sa maingay na proseso na yon. Sa dulo, boboto daw si B1 para ipatalo ang nasasakdal, habang si B2 ay boboto naman para ipanalo ang nasasakdal. Yan ang tinatawag na hedging, para hindi magalit sa kanila ang parehong malaking mga nag-uumpugang pamilya na nasa itaas nila, nasa itaas ni B1 at ni B2. Kaya ang Friday the 13th na nakakatakot nagiging February 14th na daw, and hopefully maging Magic 16 Magic Puzzle na yan ayon kay multong tagabulong. Dahu, etong si B1 at si B2, bilis! Hulaan nyo na! Mag-message na po kayo sa aming mga social media accounts sa Instagram, Facebook at TikTok sa @PRTV Manila. Just who, hula huna, wag po bibitiw, wag kukurap, magbabalik agad ang Just Asking.
Wala lang. Just asking. Bakit mo tinatanong? Just asking.
Just asking.
Nagbabalik po ang Just Asking. Live po tayo napapanood sa free-to-air Beam Channel 31, Signal Channel 31 at sa YouTube channel. Pati na rin po sa DZMM Radio Patrol sa East 30 Facebook page, PRTV Manila Facebook page at PRTV Manila YouTube channel. Ang dami grabe Mga kaserbisyo, ito po, itong guest natin. Abay, napakamatapang tulad ng mga idol ko, matapang na legal expert. Hindi ko nasasabihin kung ilang taon na siya sa kanyang expertise at sa legal field. At baka makasuhan pa ako ng discrimination. O, di ba? Walang inuurungan, pero game na game para sa mga mamamayan. Sino po siya? Dito sa Just You and I.
Just you and I.
Walang iba kundi si House Private Prosecutor Attorney Lorna Capuna. Order in the court. Senator Cheese, huwag ka magalit This is just order in the court. Ano ba? Baka makontempt tayo. Wag akong makontempt ni Senator Cheese. This is just satire. This is just a parody, okay? Magandang gabi, attorney.
Happy to be here.
Thank you so much for giving us your time.
Oo naman, ikaw pa.
Okay. Aba? Okay. Ngayon, malas kami. Kasi kahit kinuha ka naming guest, a week ago pa, you confirmed very early. Ngayon, this week, biglang may sub judice. Hindi na pwede pag-usapan ng impeachment. So, ano pag-usapan natin?
Di yung love life mo.
Pero, wag yung wait lang baka mababaliktad tong show na to. Pero bago natin puntahan yung mga tanong ko, meron muna kaming ipe-play na video. Roll VTR.
Parang wag na tayong mag-compare. Thursday, Friday, manonood pa ako ng Odyssey.
I'm sorry, Counsel.
Alam ko nakanood ka ng Odyssey. Maganda ba? Nagandahan ka ba?
Maganda. Maganda kasi 10 years yung hirap niya, pero happy ending naman.
Correct. Na lost at sea. Ang tanong ko,
Lost at sea.
meron bang Trojan horse? May kilala ka bang Trojan horse sa politika sa ngayon? In general to, hindi na to impeachment attorney
Oo. Kagaya ng mga B1, B2 mo. Marami dyan Trojan horse, di ba?
Kuno, akala mo kakampi.
Akala mo bearing gifts, pero pagdating ng gabi, lalabas yan, aatake. Well, we'll never know.
Okay. At least nakapanood na kayo. And hindi ko na pupuntahan. Ako lang to, attorney, wag ka na mag-comment Hindi ko na pupuntahan yung hindi ka sinipot or na Indian ka nung parang isang meeting na dapat mag-stipulate or mag-check ng mga documents at magko-compare. Hindi ko na babalikan yun. Kahit si Senator Cheese, hindi naman din niya binalikan kasi wala naman siyang binigay na example na violation ng defense. Ako lang yon, attorney LPK para safe ka. Ayaw ko ipahamak. So puntahan na lang natin yung fashion sense mo, attorney. Saan mo nakuha yung fashion sense mo? Tsaka bakit ang dami mong mga magagandang sneakers?
Fashion sense?
Yes! Many people say you're fashionable.
I guess it's investment dressing, di ba? As you start your career, di ba? Nung nag-i-start ako ng career, which was admittedly 48 years ago, ang mga lawyers, black, di ba? Black, and all that. But
Bland colors.
bland colors, kasi yun ang perception namin ng respect for the court. No? But ngayon, pwede na lahat. As long as yung mga, even the men, kasi hindi
Actually.
naman nakikita sa well, how did I start collecting? It's not me. My kids are kickheads, no? They're the ones. I have 5 sons, 3 grandsons, 1 great-grandson.
Hindi na pala sneakerhead, kickheads.
Kick na yun. Kicks.
Kicks na pala ang tawag ngayon.
Kicks.
So,
Panahon ko nga, rubber shoes eh.
correct, rubber shoes lang yun. Ay, baka akala mo,
At saka 2 lang yon. Nung panahon ko, Elpo.
ano yun?
Hindi mo
Yun, hindi ko alam.
2 lang.
At saka?
Ayan yung mga tao dito.
Elpo tsaka?
Aspartan.
Okay. Kasi
Wala na yun ngayon.
yung rubber shoes yan, term ko din yan kasi medyo panahon ko din yun hindi naman ako masyadong bata. Pero ang tanong ng lahat, how many shoes do you have? How many kicks do you have?
Well,
Yung ikaw lang hindi yung sa anak mo, hindi yung sa family mo, yung ikaw lang. Yung closet mo, yung shoe collection mo.
basta kung gaano kahaba yung impeachment,
Wow So isang milya, isang mile, di ba?
Yes, yes.
Pero anong favorite mo? What's your favorite may napansin ako lagi na I've always seen you naman around We've always bumped into each other. And parang yan ang lagi mong sinusuot. But aside from your golden kicks na sinusuot mo ngayon, ano ang paborito mong shoes?
I can't tell a brand naman here. Can I? I have so
You can
many
describe. Kung hindi naman brand, you don't have to say the brand.
No, I'm
If you want to say a brand, you can.
no, I'm impartial to I'm partial to Louboutins.
Wow! Wow! Pang Sex and the City.
Yeah.
You
Ganun ba
watch.
yun? Yeah.
Okay, punta tayo sa medyo mas serious na getting to know you. Kasi we can't talk about impeachment na Of course, you are a lawyer for 48 years already. Since 1978, UP Law. Ang una kong tanong, ikaw na ba ang pinakasikat sa batch mo? Kasi kapag tinatanong anong batch mo sa UP Law, usually ang tinatanong sinong kabatch mo Pag ikaw ang sinasabi, it means ikaw ang pinakasikat.
Hindi naman.
Sino mga kabatch mo, 1978?
Well, there's I'm sure you know him, Alex Poblador.
Okay.
Yeah.
Law firm.
Sa
Oo.
law firm and
Litigator.
then, litigator. Madami akong maraming magagaling sa batch ko, but it's just that they're not in litigation.
Okay. Ay, hindi din sila nasa
Jim
politika.
Lopez is an author. He writes so many books. I'm sure.
Wala sila sa politika or sa government na appointed.
Wala. There are several judges. Some have retired. I think, 2 or 3 congressmen.
Okay. Sino yung tatlong congressman?
There's Jopay Ramirez. And there's I'm
Wala na.
forgetting.
Medyo ano na.
No, I'm forget.
Retired na. Retired.
I need memory pills to remember. to remember.
Okay. 5 generations na lawyers and nakwento mo na ikaw, you went into lawyering kasi you love stories. Yun yung isa kong napanood or narinig na rason bakit ka nag-law. Ang stories usually sa batas conflict at usually medyo may injustice or kamalian. Bakit ka na in love sa mga stories? Do you read a lot nung bata?
Oh, yes. Nung panahon namin, I would always have a book. Kasi noon, TV lang noon wala namang iPad, wala namang Netflix and all that. So you would either watch TV or you would read a book to go to sleep. And even when I was young, nung nagta-travel ako, I would always go to what are the top 10 hindi pa lumalabas dito pero bestsellers na.
So ano ka talaga? Book nerd or
Yeah.
ano ka? Geek?
Yeah, up to now I buy books and read books.
Nung law school ba, mataray ka na or matapang ka na din? Like, or witty ka na din ba nung law school? Like, how were you nung recitation? Kaharap mo
No,
yung mga terror professors?
In fact, in law school, I had to overcome the challenge of being the daughter of my father.
Oh, you had a reputation. Reputation preceded you. There was a...
Yes, reputation preceded me, and there was that. And I would never go to the library. People in law school, well, my classmates saw that I would never study. In fact, I would always be in the tennis court. But
Why? Why don't you want to be seen that you're studying
because
in the library?
no, because I had a whole set of books.
Hindi
Hindi ba sa UP Law, pipila ka sa mga libros?
Okay. May sarili ka ng ano.
Yeah, because my father, mga SCRA, Philippine Reports, at saka sa, you know naman, no, sa UP Law, wala pa nung mga summary. You really had to read it in the original, no?
So matari ka na noon. Kasi medyo alone ka, medyo hindi ka masyado... Pero nagte-tennis ka kamo. Did you have a lot of friends?
Oh, I had a lot of friends. I was in UPSA, UPSCA.
Okay, outgoing ka.
I was outgoing naman.
So yung pagiging
I don't think shy is a word to describe me.
you, ever since.
Yeah, but I choose my friends. I mean, there are friends and there are friends, no?
No, kasi parang baka ang dating sa ibang tao, mahirap kang lapitan. Baka parang may wall or snobbish ka kasi nga matapang ang dating mo
Matapang nga siguro ang dating ko, no? Takot ka ba?
Hindi, ako? Hindi naman.
pa.
Ako pa.
Ikaw pa lang host dito, hindi ako. Sorry.
Hindi, tsaka nasabi mo na love mo ko
Love kita,
So,
really.
ba't
love
naman ako
kita.
matatakot sa'yo?
In fact nga, baka magalit ang other stations kasi nag-regrets ako since the
Subjudice.
Subjudice.
Came out. Ang lakas ko pala sa'yo, kahit na may subjudice, pumunta ka pa din dito.
Eh, syempre. Kasi,
Hindi naman kita ipapahamak. Wala na nga akong
I
tinatanong.
know, tsaka sabi nila,
About
bibigyan ako na
impeachment.
may ganyan daw.
Ah,
Basta pag impeachment na at sobra na yung tanong mo, gaganyan na ako.
we can talk about the law in general naman eh. It doesn't have to be about
But that's boring. no?
impeachment. Hindi. Huwag kang mag-alala, hindi magiging boring yung mga tanong ko.
Mga Miss Universe questions.
Pero mamaya pa yung mga may hirap. Ito, may isa
Sige.
pa kaming ipi-play na VTR. May ipi-play pa kaming isang clip. Panoorin natin.
Your Honor, please, I am preventing myself from giving her a spanking, Your Honor. That is what I would
Your
have
Honor,
done
please.
in the
Again, counsel.
generational divide, Your Honor.
Okay, hindi ko tatanungin ng impeachment. Ang itatanong ko, in real life, in a real courtroom, in a real case, meron ka na bang nabigyan ng quote-unquote spanking?
Figuratively, yes.
Figuratively?
Oh, yes.
Oh yeah, sino?
Oh, yes.
Like, in
Marami.
general. Madami yung mga kalaban mo.
Oo nga, oo. Actually, yes. Kasi, sometimes heated arguments, di ba? But you know me, my voice is very calm and all that. But, pag nag-i-emote na yung kalabang ko, di ba?
You will match it.
I will match it. Not
And
only
exceed it.
that, I will exceed it.
But, okay, ito, baka you might not answer, but if totoo lang, have you received a spanking yourself?
From the court?
From your opposing counsel, from the judge? And figurative lang to, and you don't have to be specific. Pero maybe in your early years, in your younger years, first kaso mo na ba kagad? Ano ka na kagad? Lord, nakapunang ka na kagad?
Hindi naman. Kasi, hindi ba, nung bata pa kami, when I was a young lawyer, madami akong de officio cases. Kasi,
And by the official meaning, for the public, no, ina-assign ng court, hindi
ina-assign ng court.
hindi mo
Kasi-
private client.
Kasi nobody told me naman na wag kang mag-sit down sa harap.
Huwag kang tumambay.
Wag kang tumambay sa harap. Well, the front seats, I was always wondering, bakit hindi inoccupy ng mga lawyers ang front seats? Yung pala, pag nakita ka, pag within vision ka ng judge, ikaw ang i-appoint na de officio.
Kung walang abogado yung mga iba nating kababayang may hirap or hindi masyado...
Ikaw ang ma-appoint. And that's how,
Maka-access ng lawyer.
I guess, Jess, that's how I started my advocacies, no?
Also, that's why pro bono ka sa impeachment. Although hindi
Yeah.
impeachment related ang tanong ko. Diba? Pro bono ka sa impeachment. Dati ka pa pala nagpo-pro
Oh, yeah.
pro bono.
Yeah.
But people know you to be an expensive lawyer. I'm sorry. Of course, I have to say that. Na, mahirap lapitan si Attorney Lorna kasi mataas ang talent fee or professional fee niyan eh. How would they get you to be pro bono?
For the causa.
What causes or anong mga advocacy ang mapapa-pro bono ka? Or yung historically, naging pro bono ka?
Kasi I have a strong sense of right and wrong. And that's what I got from my mom and dad, no? Yung sense of right and wrong. Nung panahon ng parents ko, hindi pwede yung pwede na. So, yung quality, yung pwede na yan. Hindi pwedeng ganon. Or kung mali, and all that. And my father was a disciplinarian. Ano?
So itong pro bono sa impeachment is also about a strong belief
Correct.
in right and wrong.
Correct.
About justice.
Kasi you need to have a moral compass. And that's what I guess we inherited from my parents.
Okay.
And that's what also, that's our mantra in the law firm. In our law firm, we believe in the 3 C's, no?
What are the 3 C's?
Okay, well, all law firms have competence.
Okay.
Correct. And all law firms have character, integrity. But there are very few law firms that have courage.
Competence, character, and courage.
Courage. And I think the brand we have is courage. Because we don't shy away from difficult cases. As long as we know that we are on the right. Kanya nga naman, ang dami kong controversial cases. Hindi
I know. That's the 4th C. Controversy.
Controversial.
But I can't help but ask, mea culpa, indulge me, Attorney Lorna Kapunan. Sabi mo, courage. So, pro bono ka sa impeachment, hindi ka ba natatakot na hindi ma-convict si VP Sara and then maging presidente siya sa 2028? I mean, whatever your answer is, hindi ba yon factor sa decision-making mo na given your courage na wala ka bang takot na baka, quote-unquote, balikan ka?
Meron ba akong kasamang security guard dito? Pumasok ako sa studio, pati yung security guard nyo nga ang nagpayong sa akin.
Wala kang
nang-
bodyguard.
Wala akong bodyguard.
I can
Wala akong
attest.
taga-bit-bit ng bag ko. Walang... Well, what am I trying to say? I mean, if it's your time, it's your time. Plus, to me, the best shield is a good conscience.
Okay. You're just doing your job.
And if you have a good conscience, you're ready to go. Not that, Miss Viewers, I'm suggesting that I'm ready to go, please. But, or I'm even suggesting to the trolls na, "Oh, okay pala si Attorney Kapunan, walang bodyguard pala yan, pwede na natin tirahin." Wag naman. May mission pa tayo dito.
Okay, ililihis ko sa impeachment. Aalis ulit ako sa impeachment. This is in very general terms. 'Di ba? Yung mga bayani natin, may mga aliases, di ba?
Okay.
Kasi delikado yung panahon nun eh. We were talking about courage and safety ngayon. Kanina lang. Noon, talagang pwede silang ma-aresto or mapatay dahil they were rebelling or against the Spanish government, etc. So may mga aliases. Kung may alias ang isang attorney, Lorna Kapunan, ano ang alias mo?
Ako,
Oh, hindi. Siyempre, yung ibang tao, Mary Grace Piatos, hindi ko sinasabi, di ba, na yun ang
alam mo,
ano.
to tell you the truth, when I watch movies, I don't identify with the female lead.
Oh,
I identify with the male lead,
wow. Masculine.
masculine. So, wag niyo akong tawagan na Ibong Adarna. Ang gusto ko, Iron Man.
Iron Man.
Favorite ko yun ay si Iron Man.
Hindi Iron Lady.
Iron Man, man.
Hindi the butterfly or the steel butterfly, yung mga ganon, si Margaret Thatcher. Gusto mo mas masculine yung ano mo?
Iron Man.
Iron Man.
First, cute siya, di ba? Cute.
So, are you an Avengers? Kayo ba sa prosecution team? Hindi ko, mea culpa ulit. Minsan nakikita ko yung prosecution team parang Avengers eh. Kasi lahat ng mga bigatin, Congressman Chel Jokno, ako naman, I can say all of this, di ba? Siyempre, Congresswoman Laila de Lima, Cong Jervil, who is talagang nagpakitang gilas this year, Attorney Virgil Ligutan, a revelation to many people. And of course, you have a reputation that preceded yourself. Parang Avengers, lalo na Iron Man pa lang gusto mong
Oh,
alias.
we are the A-team.
You are the A-team. Avengers nga. Pwede.
The A-team.
Kung kami ang magsasabi, pwedeng Avengers. Kayo, syempre, wag nyo nang tawaging Avengers.
In fact, kung may Odyssey, hinihintay ko nga yung, because Iron Man has morphed. He has already a new personality.
So, inaabangan nyo yung Doomsday.
Yes.
Robert Downey Jr. is coming back.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
not as Iron Man.
Not as Iron Man. I think as a bad guy, but
Can you be a villain as well? Ikaw?
me?
Yes.
Of course.
Are you a villain in someone else's life right now, in real life?
In many people's lives. I think I'm number one in their hate list, shit list, hit list.
Even before impeachment?
Even before impeachment.
Oh. Well, I have to ask you because you led me there. Nandito na tayo sa cross-examination eh. Who is your parang enemy in court? A rival. Not really an enemy. Rival na lang. Yung parang rival in court, an opposing counsel or a client na usually parang you consider rival ko yan. Or considers you as a rival.
I think everybody does. Yeah, but who is my biggest enemy or who is
Rival na lang.
biggest rival?
Opo.
Frankly, myself.
Wow.
Myself because you set a standard for yourself, di ba? And sometimes you're either happy with how the day went or you're not happy how the day went, or yung mga I should have said this, I should have said that, or I should have spanked this kid, or I should have mga Or I should have poisoned this senator, mga ganyan. No, but
may standards ka, ang taas ng standards mo for yourself.
and I think that happens to everybody. You set a standard for yourself, no? So, I guess my best friend, my worst critic is myself.
Wow. Ang hirap nun ha. Pero, susundutan ko yan mamaya. But before that, sabi nga ni Attorney Ligutan, hold your horses. Wait lang, dahil magbe-break po tayo in a while. But before we go to break, sundan muna natin ang unang clue sa ating Just Hula Who. Pwede kang makihula mamaya, Attorney Lorna Kapunan. Ang ating first clue, tungkol kay B1. Si B1 ay sadyang tahimik na tao talaga yan. Kaya naman hindi nakakapagtaka na tahimik din siya dito sa maingay na prosesong nangyayari ngayon na inaantabayanan ng taong bayan. Pero yung mga kasamahan niya dito sa proseso, yung iba, bibong-bibo at extra napaka maingay. Walang makakapigil sa kanila. Pero siya, tahimik lang talaga yon na tao, no? Pero hindi ibig sabihin hindi siya nagsasalita. Pag nagsalita kasi siya, huwag niyong kakalimutang bigyan ng marka or grado ang kanyang mga pahayag. Tahimik lang siya, pero marami na siyang nagawang mga negosyo, lalo na sa politika. Under the radar, pero matinik at markado ang pera sa kanya at kanyang pamilya. Sino? Si B1. Mag-comment at mag-message na po kayo sa ating mga social media accounts sa Instagram, Facebook at TikTok sa @PRTV Manila. Just hula na. Magbabalik pa po ang Just Asking.
La 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 la. La 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 la. La la. Just asking. Wala lang. Just asking. Bakit mo tinatanong? Just asking.
Just asking.
Nakatutok pa din po kayo sa Just Asking. Live po tayo napapanood sa free-to-air Beam Channel 31, Signal Channel 31 at sa YouTube channel. Pati na rin po sa DZMM Radio Patrol sa East 30 Facebook page, PRTV Manila Facebook page at PRTV Manila YouTube channel. Bonggang-bongga, I have to say this because she's our guest. 3,000 na po ang nanonood sa atin na live. Wow! Because of you, Attorney Lorna Kapunan. Attorney Lorna is still in the house and narinig mo ba yung aking multong taga-bulong? Kasi copyrighted ang Tweety Bird. So, hindi ko yun ginagamit. Ang aking source ngayon ay si multong taga-bulong. Nahulaan mo ba? Si B1?
Siyempre. Nasa clue mo eh.
At saka si B2.
Siguro yung kapatid.
Pero, wag mo nang sabihin kung validated mo ha. Wag mong sasabihin, wag mong i-confirm yung aking multong taga-bulong. Wag mong i-confirm yung katotohanan nung...
I won't guess. I won't guess.
Kasi Friday the 13th, nagiging February 14th na daw. Oh, wow, di ba? Inaantay ko na lang maging Magic 16 puzzle ball. Hindi ibang Magic 16 ha. Basta ganun lang. Magic 16.
Magkano bang reward dito? 30,000?
Reward? Bakit? Di ba yun yung fine sa subjudice?
Para mag-subjudice na ako. Bayaran mo na lang yung 30,000.
So, scoop burger lang sa'yo yun, attorney?
Wala.
Oo, ano lang yun, sentimo lang yun.
Naman.
Pero okay, hindi ka makaka-violate ng subjudice, pero babalikan ko yung sinabi mo na may standards ka sa sarili mo. And sometimes, maisip mo na, ginawa ko ba lahat ng pwede kong gawin, or could I have done it differently? Yun ang tanong ko dito sa impeachment, not on the merits, but from your own standards with the 1 month or so na nangyari na so far ang impeachment trial. Meron bang time na parang hindi mo na-meet ang sarili mong standards?
There is always a temptation amongst us lawyers to stand up and argue, no, with the senator judges, no. But we can't do that. Kung ang other side, no, lawyers for the other side, and you have an objection, you can stand up and object, no, or make a manifestation. We can't do that, and we can't do that with the impeachment court. So there is a frustration level doon.
Ayun. Yun na nga. Parang nagigets ko na yun yung patutunguhan. Okay, iwas ulit ako para safe ulit. Balik ako sa 2016, attorney. Madami sigurong hindi nakakaalala, pero may iba sigurong may alam na you ran for senator
Oh, yes.
in 2016 under the ticket of Senator Grace Poe, who was running for president, and Senator Chis Escudero, who was running for Vice President. How was that experience? Siyempre, nangampanya ka all over the country with Sen Grace and Sen Chis. First, yung experience of campaigning, and then second, mamaya puntahan natin with Senator Chis.
Okay. Well, that was, sabi nga ng mga, well, first we were a very organized campaign, no? And, pero sabi nga ng mga kasama sa campaign, sabi nila, attorney, parang kayo lang nag-i-enjoy. Kasi they were all worried about their survey results, pumapasok na ba sila sa 10 or 12 and all that. I was just enjoying myself. And using it as a platform for my advocacies. No?
What were your advocacies then? Ano yung pinupush mo ba noong 2016?
Well, of course, no, even before they thought of the party list, no, I was really for marginalized sectors, women, even LGBT, no? Women, elders, the elderly, and to me that, and of course, the justice system, no? Because being a practicing lawyer, I knew that even if there were laws there, it is the implementation of these laws, and sometimes access to justice, access to capital. People are poor, and that's why there's criminality. That's why there are drug-related incidents, no? Because
And that's why some people want shortcuts. Kasi ang tagal ng justice system.
correct. But let me say that the reason it was fun was we had a nice slate. No, you will not believe it.
Ilan kayo sa slate?
Tito Sen was there.
Oh!
Tito Sen was there. Win Gatchalian was part of it. Edu Manzano, Manila Mayor was there.
So is the impeachment
Isko
trial
was there.
like a mini reunion? Kasi
Of
kasama mo
sorts.
pala si Senator Soto, Senate President Win Gatchalian.
Pero syempre, respectful tayo. Bawal nga atang mag-smile doon kasi hindi ako ni-smilean eh. Would you believe the one who smiles at me?
Senator Cheese.
No, it's just Senator Lapid.
Nagsasmile sa'yo. Hindi nagsasmile sa'yo si Senator Tito Soto? Senator Win
Nasa
Gatchalian?
front row sila eh. So kita na. No,
O poker face talaga sila?
poker face naman sila.
Pero itong tanong ko dyan, the reason why I mentioned you were running in 2016 with the ticket of Senator Grace and Senator Cheese is pansin ko lang naman na syempre medyo mabait sa'yo si Senator Cheese. Correct me if I'm wrong. And sabi mo hindi nagsasmile si na Senator Soto, pero si Senator Cheese minsan natatawa or nagsasmile sa antics mo.
I think na-amuse. Na-amuse lang sila sa akin. Ano?
Naging close ba kayo ni Senator Cheese noong 2016
We
campaign?
were all very close during the campaign. Because, we were close. We were close. Dick Gordon was also there. Dami kaming close eh.
But it doesn't affect yung relationship nyo ngayon that you have to be more professional and impartial with the senator judges. Since you campaigned with Senator Soto, Senator Gatchalian, sabi mo naging close ka with Senator Cheese, wala namang impact sa
No, in fact,
Impeachment.
I'm more mindful of trying to be more respectful
with the
With
senator
the-
judges na kilala mo.
with the impeachment court, with
With
the
the
whole
impeachment
impeachment court. Because I mean,
Careful ka na sa lagay na yan. Baka sabihin ng iba, careful na sa lagay na yan si Atty.
you should
LPP.
see me. You should see me misbehave, Jessa.
Wait, what's an example of a misbehaving Lorna Kapunan?
Oh, the decibel level is high. Maririnig mo ako sa next courtroom.
Oh my God.
Lumalabas sa mga clerks of court, sa mga ano nila.
To watch your courtroom.
Yes.
What does the judge say during that instance? Na ang ano na pala?
Nasasapawan ng judge. Because, syempre, then the judge will say recess, or the judge will say
Suspension.
suspension, or sa court to, no?
But, sorry, syempre, yung mga...
But you know, Jess, I'm older than most judges eh. When I said nga, I finished law in 1978. One judge told me, "Oh, that's when I was born." Parang,
Yung isa mong under bar sa law firm mo, si Attorney Lasherda, sabi, 1978, third year, lang ba siya noon? High school.
oh,
Oo. Hindi pa ako pinapanganak noon, Attorney.
I know.
I have to say sorry.
I know. You're probably
1986.
Oh yeah, you're
It's,
probably as old as one of my sons.
But the reason why I asked that, yung behaving relationship mo with senator judges, and you saying na you're older than most judges and even most of your peers, no? Is that, does that contribute to sometimes, no? And ako, this is me being more critical. Baka may iba kasi na sinasabi, behave ka na pala sa lagay na yan, pero sa tingin nila, you're already misbehaving. Ang tanong ko, is it really the age that gives you the gravitas that sometimes makes you get away with certain things na only you can get away with? Kasi not many lawyers can do what you do.
No, in fact I'm surprised that people are surprised. Kasi in my mind it is not intentional. My one-liners or my
Zingers.
zingers, it's not intentional. It just comes, and hopefully it is not seen as disrespect, no? And of course I get feedback, maraming natutuwa, maraming nagagalit, but I'm very mindful because you have to respect the court, no? Not so much the senators, but the position, no? They're all judges.
And the process,
In the process,
the Constitution.
this is a serious process. It's not like any other case I've handled, no? This will not determine the life of a client, or a family, or a corporation. This is the whole nation, and not only the nation now, the nation in the future generations, no? So the burden really, and the desire to do your best can be terrifying. Because people, when I meet people, they say, attorney, nagdadasal po kami, galingan niyo po, and all that. But we also know that there are many variables, no?
So the stakes are high. But I have to ask, I think you volunteered because of the situation we're in and you want to contribute. But we live in a very polarized democracy already, or society. So how do you assess the country and how do you deal with the polarization na most of the people who love you are the people who will agree, quote unquote, with the side that you are lawyering for, versus the people who will not like you or who bash you are the people who don't side with the prosecution? How do you deal with that, and what's the future for Philippine democracy?
I think this is where we go back to basics, no? When people blame our politicians, we have to go back to why are they there? We voted for them, di ba? So we don't blame the politicians. We don't blame them. We have to blame ourselves. So I always say when I'm interviewed, let's not give up hope. If this generation is gone, let's think about the next generation. So the good leaders are out there. You, for instance. I mean, there are many young, good leaders out there. What we have now are recycled leaders. Why? Because people say it's guns, goons, and gold. It's a cliche.
And dynasties.
And dynasties. Guns, goons, dynasties, plus. To me, it's the economic situation. People are poor. So you give a 5,000. Dati, when you buy votes, 500 pesos, 100 pesos. Now you buy families.
Inflation.
No,
Grabe.
sasabihin na lang nila, ilan ba kayo? O GCash, 5,000. And people accept. And you know how Pinoys are, no? We accept and we're loyal. Even if, ito nga, binigyan ako ng 5,000, yung pamilya ko, yung isa, hindi. Ito na lang iboboto ko. So that kind of mentality, that kind of thinking, we have to break that cycle. So
Wow.
let's not blame the impeachment. Let's not blame our leaders.
The lawyers?
No? Let's blame ourselves.
Very sobering, but also inspiring. I think that's a great point to make. But iwanan muna natin itong napakabigat na discussion. Dahil, babalik muna ako sa round 2 ng aking paklu, Attorney Lorna. Round 2. Round 2 po, ito, nandito tayo sa segment natin na just yes or just no. Sorry, I have to limit you. You are now like a witness where you have to only say yes or no.
I cannot explain.
The joke
Eh
lang.
kung manifestation.
Baka ma-overrule mo ako, baka mag-bank ka ng given na gusto mo mag-ano eh.
Yes.
Okay, ready ka na? Just yes or no. But with explanation. Okay, first question. Pikunin ka ba, attorney?
No.
Hindi ka napipikon?
Akong namimikon.
Ikaw ang namimikon, I can see that. Nakapanood ka na ba ng Brand New Day, Spider-Man After Odyssey?
Pag nagpa-postponement na naman ang defense.
Ay, hindi pa.
Wow.
Maganda ang movie. Hindi ko isa-spoil. Since you're an Iron Man and you're an Avenger, you have to watch.
It's in IMAX.
IMAX or hindi, maganda.
Sige.
Pareho. Ikaw ba, yes or no, ay nabiktima na ng fake news?
Oo.
Anong fake news? And how did you handle it? Anong fake news sa'yo na hindi ka fashionable?
Pini-fake news ang mga kliyente ko.
Ng kliyente mo or nung mga kalaban mong nung kalaban mo?
Ng mga kalabang ko.
Ay, wow.
They fake news my clients, which gets me mad.
Okay.
Kasi dapat pag lalabang ka, patas ang labanan. Di ba?
How should we deal with fake news nowadays? Including impeachment, but outside impeachment, syempre, it's so rampant.
Di ba? What do you do about trolls? What do you do about bullies? What do you do about husbands who beat their wives? Isa lang sagot ko lagi dyan. Lasunin sila lahat.
Akala ko stand up to them eh. Lasunin.
Lasunin lahat.
Diretso na ha. Okay. Yan, hindi yan na misleading. Pero pwede ba ang misleading question sa direct or sa cross-examination?
Depends on the transcripts.
Ang bilis mo kasi magsalita tulad ko eh. Kaya na na-override yung
No, really, I
transcript.
I maintain my position there.
Of course, and we all understand it. I have to ask a pointed question. Nakikita kayo ni Attorney Christine Ferrer na parang nagkikiss and makeup or yung talagang professional, which is tama naman.
Which is genuine and sincere.
Genuine and sincere, hindi yun plastikan.
I don't do plastic. Not to plastic na tayo.
Pero si Attorney Christine, hindi ka nakaramdam na plastikan lang din?
No. She's a very genuine person. In
Okay.
fact, I felt for her. I still feel for her. In the last hearing, she tried her best as well.
Okay, amen. Hindi ko na yun susundutin dahil all's well that ends well. And sub judice na. Okay, Attorney Lorna, silipin po muna natin ang mga komento ng ating mga netizens dahil sa iyo, ang daming nanonood. Okay, patingin ang ating mga comments ng ating mga 3,000 plus live viewers. Sabi ni at March July Inchang, magandang gabi Attorney Jess and Attorney Lorna Kapunan, super love ko yan si Attorney Lorna, ang galing, matalino at mabait na boss. Bye! ano ba pala? Sino yan?
Sino ka? Bigyan kita ng ano?
Ng race? Ay, 4,200 na daw ang live viewers. Grabe.
Is that good?
Ano lang kami dito, pipitsugin lang ang show ko noon. Alam mo naman ako, I'm just a new, random
But
vlogger.
I watch you all the
commentator.
time.
You're the first one to...
Because you're very bastos.
No, I feel you.
But Maginoo naman.
Ay, thank you. Palibasa lalaki. Panahon natin yan. Panahon pa yan. Sabi po ni at JSDFIBSBIFS, pinapahirapan mo ako pero natawid ko yun ha, dito sa ating netizen. We love you, Attorney Lorna C. We are praying for you all the time for your protection. Bakit naging C? Lorna K. O, naging C yung kapunan mo.
Salamat.
Sabi naman ni at Erica Tan Kulahara 9283, automatic click agad to watch Just Asking, my fave show, kaabang-abang, especially with Attorney Kapunan. Especially with Attorney Kapunan.
Thank you.
Si at Lax Lakay, hindi daw Iron Man ang gusto niya sa'yo. Pero baka ayaw mo to eh. Ang sabi niya, gusto daw niya na alias mo, hindi Iron Man, Iron Fist.
Gusto ko rin yun. What's your name? Hiramin ko yung
At Lax Lakay. Ganto ka nga, attorney. Ay, pwede, oh. Ay! Walang kahesi-hesitation. At Curious in Korea, the dress is so giving and the butterfly on the neck. Who would have thought? Di ba napansin ang butterfly mo?
Butterfly ko.
Oo, sa Grabe, saan mo nakuha yung na yan? Quintas or Borlolo?
I have a jeweler. She puts together stones, so it's one of a kind.
Ang galing. One of a kind and customized, it means expensive.
No, it means livelihood.
Bongga!
Helping people with their livelihood.
Actually, giving people livelihood. Sabi naman ni @Curious in Korea, ni @Jotirayos del Sol. Pinapahirapan niyo po ko sa mga pangalan niyo sa YouTube. Ladies and gentlemen, the incomparable, our savage diva, Attorney Kapunan. We love you, Attorney. God bless you always. Parang maganda din yun.
Savage!
Diva.
Gusto ko rin
Attorney
yan.
Lorna Kapunan. At Maria Bettina Veloso, ang fab ng outfit ni Attorney Lorna, yayamanin, hanep, mas fashionable pa dito sa isang tao. Hindi ko na sasabihin yung wag kayong mag-compare. Wag naman kayong mag-compare. Talagang yamanin talaga si Attorney Lorna. Okay. Teka, bago tayo magkalimutan, Attorney, pupunta muna ako sa ating Just Who, Hula Who. Ito na ang last clue para kay B2 kasi kanina si B1. Si B2 ay miyembro ng bagong henerasyon at pinakabata sa kanyang mga kasamahan. Matagal siyang nawala, kaya kung hindi nyo siya nakikita o naririnig, hindi ibig sabihin wala siya dyan sa politika. Mas tahimik si B1 kesa kay B2. Pero kamakailan, mas maririnig mo ang boses ni B2 na kapag magtanong or magsalita ay short and sweet. Napakaingat niya sa biyahe at gustong-gusto niyang paalalahanan ang lahat. Mag-ingat po kayo sa biyahe, sabi niya. Sino si B2? Sagot na at mag-message lang po sa aming mga social media accounts sa Instagram, Facebook at TikTok sa @PRTV Manila. Magbabalik po ang Just Asking.
Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Just asking. Wala lang. Just asking. Bakit mo tinatanong? Just asking.
Just asking.
Kasama pa din po natin ang nag-iisang Attorney Lorna Kapunan dito sa Just Asking. Salamat po sa 4,300 live viewers. Ito, Attorney Lorna, mayroong mga tayong sasagutin ng mga tanong ng ating kababayan kasi hindi lang naman ako ang nagtatanong. Tama to, yung taong bayan dapat nagtatanong din yan. Problema man yan o simpleng hanash, bring it on. Sasagutin namin yan ni Attorney Lorna Kapunan. Tulungan mo po akong sagutin ang tanong ng ating mga kaserbisyo. Unang tanong, ito ang tanong ni...
Saying. Just saying.
Attorney Kapunan, just asking lang po, idol po kita sa tapang. How to be you po?
How to be you?
You can't.
You can't. Wow! Basag agad ang...
No. What's your name, Iha?
Sino ang nagtanong ng natin? Sino ang ating netizen or
Banji.
Banji.
Do not aspire. Wag mong gustuhin na maging ibang tao. Kasi ikaw, Banji, paglaki mo, you be yourself. Be yourself. Kasi yung mga iba paano kaya ganyan? Pero ikaw, I'm sure, sa talino mo, sa ganda mo, be your own self.
You can never copy anyone.
Because original ka. Hindi tayo kopya, hindi tayo carbon copy, hindi tayo copy paste. Original ka, Iha. Be yourself.
Okay. Although I think yung qualities mo yung gusto niya. Katalinuhan, fashion sense, gano'n.
Well, there is no substitute for sweat and tears yan eh.
Okay.
You play hard, you work hard, you play hard.
And you read a lot.
And you read a lot.
Kaya ka tumalino, attorney.
Well,
No, I think ako that's one of my belief eh.
Yeah.
If you read a lot, tatalino ka talaga.
because you exercise your brains eh.
Okay, pero bago tayo magtapos and bago natin puntahan yung ating ending, no, mayroon talaga akong gustong itanong eh. Senator or congressman? No context. Senator or congressman, sinong pipiliin mo?
Senator or congressman?
Oo.
Sino?
Anong pipiliin mong posisyon? And no context, wala akong sinasabi. Just senator or congressman?
Senator.
Senator.
Actually, president.
Ayun! Nakuha ko yung context ko. Ombudsman or Chief Justice or Supreme Court Justice? Ombudsman or Supreme Court?
Ombudsman.
Ombudsman. Ombudsman or COMELEC?
Comelec
Chair.
should be impeached.
Ayun, dyan nagtatapos ang ating show. Marami pong salamat sa pagsama nyo sa amin, Attorney Lorna Kapunan. Hala,
Ako naman, ang tatanong sa'yo.
ano ang tanong nyo?
Okay. Kung ikaw ay may alias, sino ka naman?
Ang alias ko ay Ricardo Cristo. Oo. Ricardo Cristo.
Because,
Ricardo Cristo kasi yung pangalan ko medyo malapit doon eh. Jesus ako eh. Jesu Cristo. Para hindi din ako mabash, tapos hindi din ma-investigate yung confidential
Ayaw mo ng Boy
funds.
Silly?
Boy Sila, ayoko yun. Ayoko sa maanghang eh.
ayaw mo sa maliit.
Ayoko. Kaya ako Cristo, kailangan Ricardo Cristo para hindi ako ma-investigate sa confidential funds. Kasi
Pero
makikita nila
Jess,
Cristo eh.
Kalimutan mo na Christ was crucified.
And I'm ready to be crucified.
Yeah, but you need to find a good thief. Because Christ was crucified between the good thief and a bad thief, no?
Oh!
We're lacking good thieves.
Oh my God, that's pasabog ah. May good thief pala. Naku,
Yung mga nagre-repent, meron naman, di ba?
sana mag-repent yung mga nasa gobyerno. Pero kung mag-gobyerno man ako, I will not be a thief. Papatayin ko din lahat ng mga magnanakaw.
The keyword, ang takeaway ngayong gabi ay lasunin.
Lasunin. And on that note, yan po ang isang oras ng kwentuhan. Talakayan at pasabog. Thank you so much for guesting.
Thank you so much. I'd like to thank my mother and my father, especially my parents,
Wow!
for these flowers.
Hanggang sa susunod na linggo, ako po si Jess Pases at kasama natin si Attorney Lorna Kapunan. Ito po ang Jess Asking.
Thank you so much.
Wala lang. Just asking. Bakit mo tinatanong? Just asking.
Just asking.